When a number x is subtracted from its square, the result is 30. Find the value of x. Okay, x is subtracted from its square. What is the square of x? X squared. And x is subtracted from it. So do you understand? A number is subtracted from a square. The result is another way of saying equals 30. Going to bring the 30 over the other side, and we're going to get x squared minus 1x minus 30 equals 0. Oisin, two numbers that multiply to make 30.
10 and 3.
10 and 3, yeah. Give me another one.
15 and 2.
And give me another one after that. Think smaller.
6 and 5.
6 and 5. Now, which one of these has a difference of, if the reference number is minus 30, which one of them can make a 1?
Minus 5. Or,
yeah.
Plus 6 minus 5.
Now, plus 6 minus 5 makes plus 1. You're looking for?
Minus.
So what would it be?
Minus 6 plus 5.
Minus 6 plus 5. So it's going to be x minus 6, x plus 5 equals 0. What you do now, Oisin?
X equals plus 6.
So you're just skipping a step, but you're right.
Okay, x equals 5 equals 0.
Then what?
And x equals plus 6. X
Yeah.
equals minus.
Well done, Oisin. Good man. Okay. Moving on. Okay. A rectangle has a width of x and a length 5 centimeters longer than this. Write an expression in x for the area of the rectangle. Expressions are not equations, as in they haven't got an equals. It's not a full equation. So, Aaron, how do you get the length? How do you get the area of a rectangle?
U by x plus y by x.
Yeah, or length by width. So x multiplied by x plus 5. Then what do you get, Aaron?
Equals.
No equals yet. You're still on part 1.
X plus.
X multiplied by x.
X squared plus x. 6x.
Yeah, that's a 5. My bad. 5 multiplied by x.
5x.
5x. Joey, you're on part 2, forming the equation, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me what to do now. So the area is represented by x squared plus 5x, isn't it? Because it says write an expression for the area. So the area is x squared plus 5x, and you said that equals 36. You've just added forming A. What's the word you did? Equation. Why is it an equation? Because it has an equal sign in it. Now, Andrew, do you know what you do next?
You find the reference. Oh no, you bring it over to 36.
Okay, you bring it over to 36, okay? And then what happens after that?
You find the reference number.
Fair enough. What's the factors of 36?
6 and 6.
6 and 6, go again.
1 and 36.
Go again. Try an even number like 2 or 4.
4 and
sorry, 4 and 9, okay? Get you there. You just count upwards, is that right? Now, what are you looking to get in the middle, Andrew?
5.
Plus 5.
Plus 5.
So which one needs to be minus and which one needs to be plus?
It needs to be plus 4 minus. Oh no, minus 9. Minus 4 plus 9.
Put minus 4 plus 9, that's excellent, right, well done. X minus 4, x plus 9 equals 0. And then what you do from this part now?
X equals plus 4.
You're right, but you just skipped a step, okay? Now what you get?
X equals plus 4.
And x equals? Well done, alright, that's it. Good job. Okay, we're going to go for next is Jake. Jake, one number is 2 greater than another positive number. So what happens there? So one number is 2 greater than the other number. Do you know these numbers? So it says if the smaller number is x, write down the larger number.
It's x plus 2.
X plus 2. Because a number that is 2 greater than another number has to be plus 2 bigger. If I said it's twice as big, what would that be? 2 multiplied by x. But this is just 2 bigger, not 2 times bigger. If I change this question to 2 times greater, what would happen? It's 2x, not x. So one word can change the full equation. Okay, one word. Now, done. Write in terms of x an expression for the products. What does the word product mean? Multiply 2 numbers. Products. So how do you multiply these 2 numbers by each other, Jake?
X bracket x plus 2.
Okay, then what happens?
X squared plus 2x.
Okay. The product is 8. Form an equation.
X squared plus 2x equals 8.
The product equals 8. Fair enough. Okay. Yes, Aaron?
I still don't really understand the 2 greater.
Alright, 2 greater. If I said I'm 10 years old, 2 greater than me would be 12.
Oh.
And 2 greater than that is 14. So when you have a number, you have to add on 2.
So would that be like...
Okay? Now, Aaron, you take it from here. Where'd you bring the 8 to?
You bring 8 on the other side and it's minus 8.
Minus 8. What's the reference number?
8.
Nearly.
Minus 8.
Okay. And then what 2 numbers multiply to give you 8? Aaron, 2 numbers that multiply to give you 8?
2 and 4.
2 and 4. Now which one has to be minus?
2.
And plus 4. Why did you say that?
Because it's plus 2.
In the middle. Perfect. So what's the answer then?
X plus 4 and x minus 2.
Okay. And then what's the next part after that?
X equals plus 6.
You're all skipping the last step, guys. After that?
So
X equals?
x equals plus 4
Minus 4. Because it goes over the other side. And x equals?
plus 2.
Plus 2. Perfect. Okay guys, number 8 is done. We're now on to number 9. Luke. Go for it.
So it would be x minus 3.
Okay, one of them is 3 smaller than the other one. If I said I was 15 years old and somebody said you're 3 less than me, I get 12. In the same way, if the larger number is x and somebody is 3 smaller than me, it's going to be x minus 3. Okay? Write in terms of x the expression for the product of the 2 numbers. So Luke, what's the product of the 2 numbers?
18.
It is, but I mean just before the 18. The information for 18 hasn't come up yet.
X squared.
Yeah. X multiplied by x minus 3,
Yeah.
which is?
X squared.
Yeah.
Minus 3x.
Perfect. Now we're on part 3. The product, I'll go to Ryan. Ryan, the product equals 18. What do you do?
X squared minus 3x equals 18.
Okay, then what happens?
You bring the 18 over the other side.
And what happens then?
It becomes the reference number.
It comes minus 18.
Oh yeah, minus 18.
And then the question is a reference number question. What's the reference number?
Minus 18.
Pick 2 numbers that multiply together to give you 18.
6 and 3.
6 and 3. Is it plus 6?
Minus 6 and plus 3.
Minus 6 and plus 3. And how did you get that?
Because the answer then is 3x.
Minus 3.
Minus 3.
So minus 6 plus 3 gives us minus 3, and minus 3 is what we want. What's the next step after that?
X minus 6 bracket x plus 3.
Yeah.
0.
Yeah, then what?
X minus 6
Equals 0 and?
X plus 3 equals 0. Bring the minus the other side.
X equals 6
And x equals to minus 3.
minus 3. Okay. Good man. Okay. This is a reasonably tough one. Is this the last one? Go, Jan. Read it out.
So, a mug costs X plus €2 in a shop. A person bought X of these mugs at this price. Write in terms of X how much the person spent. Yeah.
Stop there. Yeah. Good.
So they spent X plus 2. No, well, yeah, bracket X multiplied by X plus 2.
All right. So usually, if you bought 10 mugs and each mug cost you €2, you'd all tell me you spent €20. But that means you multiply the cost of the item by the number of items you bought. So that means X multiplied by X plus 2. Okay, Jan, what's X multiplied by X plus 2?
Is 2X plus, no, it was X squared plus 2X.
Yeah, X squared plus 2X. Now that's the answer to part 1. Why is this an expression, Jan? Or
because there's no answer to it.
no answer to it at the moment. Now what about part 2?
Well, it says if the person spent €24.
Yeah.
So it becomes X squared plus 2X is equal to 24.
Okay, this is an equation. Okay. Now it says solve the equation to find X.
So you bring 24 over the other side, and it becomes X squared plus 2X minus 24.
Equals 0. Okay.
0. And then the reference number is minus 24.
Reference number is minus 24.
And then, the two numbers that multiply together are minus 4 plus 6.
4 and 6, and what you said was minus 4 plus 6, because minus 4 multiplied by 6 is minus 24, and minus 4 plus 6 is plus 2. What you do next, Jan?
Then so you put X in, so two brackets, and then X minus 4, X plus 6.
X minus 4, X plus 6 equals 0. Now what
you blend the two numbers, so you have X minus 4 is equal to 0.
Yeah.
And X plus 6 is equal to 0.
Fair enough.
And then the answer, and then you bring the two numbers over, and X is equal to 4 and X is equal to minus 6.
Okay, reread the question.
So
what is the price of the mug? It doesn't say prices, it says price. Which one can it not be?
It can't be the left. Oh, the right hand side one. So X is equal.
Why can't it be minus 6?
Because you can't have minus 6.
Can't buy minus 6 mugs, okay? Now, X is 4. You bought 4 mugs, but that isn't the price, guys. What's the price? X plus 2.
Plus 2.
So what's X plus 2?
4 plus 2.
Which is? 6. So, well done. You're done. Price per mug is 6. Okay? Alright, guys. Yes?